Hi guys and welcome to How to Maximize. For today's video, I will show you how to install ChatGPT Google Chrome extension. To start this tutorial, open your internet browser in your PC, a laptop, or MacBook. Once you are here, you're going to search on the search bar this time. Chrome Web Store. This will allow us to open chrome.google.com's web store. Once the results are out, click on the first link that appears. In here, in the upper left, you will see a search bar. And now we're going to search for the application that we need, and that is ChatGPT for Google. Now hit enter once you're done typing. Once you're here, click on this icon. Make sure the same logos are the same as on your screens. Once you find it, on the upper right, there is a button that says Add to Chrome. Just press on it. Once you're okay with the conditions, just click on Add Extension. Just wait for the application to finish checking. And now it will say that it has been added to our Google Chrome. In here, you can also click on Save for the AI provider. And on the bottom right, it will say Changes has been saved. Now you can open another tab. Once you're here in the search bar once again, we are going to use or search how to use Google. In this example, look at this. ChatGPT on the right side of my screen is already waiting for ChatGPT response. It's already generating some sort of response to whatever we're going to be doing in our Google Chrome. In here, it says, please log in and pass Cloudflare check. All you have to do is click on the link below. When you click on it, you will be redirected to chat.openai.com. Now let's wait for the website to finish loading. And look at that. Once we allowed everything, you will see that ChatGPT already provides answers for us for whatever we do in our Google Chrome browser. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.